It's finally here. ChatGPT just released some new features, and among them is the one that we've all been waiting for. I mean, you can now completely create faceless videos in ChatGPT using this new tool they just launched. You see, everything from script writing to voiceover and even editing will all be done by this new ChatGPT video AI tool. I mean, all you need to do is just give it a simple prompt, and in just a few minutes, your video will be ready. For clarity, here's a video I just created in ChatGPT using the tool I'm about to show you.
Have you ever pondered how a Stoic would maintain unwavering focus amidst the cacophony of life's distractions? Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens, holds the key to mastering the art of focus. This ancient wisdom can be a guiding compass in today's world of endless notifications and to-do lists. Stoicism teaches us to differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot.
Looks amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool to create faceless YouTube videos that get millions of views, just like this one from one of my faceless channels. And if you watch till the end, I'll also be showing you how you can use this tool to make YouTube shorts in the dark psychology niche and get millions of views without having to use any AI-generated images. And no time-consuming editing on CapCut. All these will be done on ChatGPT within just a few minutes. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The tool I'm about to show you is called Video AI in ChatGPT. The link to this tool is in the description below. This tool is created by InVideo, but inside ChatGPT. I mean, it is one of the new GPTs you can use directly on your ChatGPT account. To access this tool, first, what you want to do is sign up on ChatGPT. You can use your Google account or your email once you're on ChatGPT. Now click on where it says Explore GPTs. Note, this feature is only available to ChatGPT Plus members. That is, if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, you might not see this unless you upgrade. So after clicking on the Explore GPTs option, you'll be redirected to this page where you can access a lot of GPTs. Just type in Video AI by InVideo and then click on the first one with the InVideo logo. Now you want to give it a prompt. You see, this is mainly based on the type of video you want to create and the niche of your YouTube channel. As promised, I'll be showing you how to use this tool for both long-form and short-form videos. But first, let's use it to create long-form videos, because after all, that's where the most money is made on YouTube. But first, here are some of the best long-form video niches that you can use this Video AI tool in ChatGPT to create. You can go with any of these, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be going with the travel niche. This niche has a lot of views potential on YouTube, and it has a relatively impressive CPM. Here's an example channel in the niche, and as you can see, their videos get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views, and they are making anywhere from $300 to $5,000 per month according to Social Blade. This channel creates videos about the best travel destinations and vacation guides, which are very easy to make using this ChatGPT in Video AI. To start with, you'll first need to give it a prompt. For example, tell it to create a long-form YouTube video on the best places to visit in the USA. Now, to get the best result, you want to make sure that your prompt is as detailed as possible. For instance, tell it the type of voice you want to use and the theme of the video as well. To do that, just add, make the video engaging and a little bit cinematic using the most accurate footage of the specific locations. Now for the voice, you can just add, use a deep American male voice. And if you want background music, you can just tell it to also use background music that aligns with the theme of the video. Once all that is done, click on the send message button and ChatGPT will start creating the video for you. Now to complete the process, click on confirm, and after that your video will be ready. Now click on the link provided by ChatGPT to view your video. Then you'll be redirected to the InVideo AI website where you can view and download the video, and if required, make some changes too. Now you just need to create an account using your email or Google account, then you'll be sent a login code which you can use to access your account. Just enter the code to proceed. Now fill in some basic information including your username and workspace name and then click on continue. Now just after a few minutes, your video will be fully ready. You can just play it to see if it looks nice. If not, you can make some changes to it by clicking on where it says edit. For instance, if you want to change the stock footage of a specific scene in the video, you can just search through the media library on InVideo to find the one that you like and use it in the video. Better still, you can upload footage and add it to the scene if you already have one on your computer. You can also make changes to the script as well. For example, you can add more details about a specific location if you want. Once you're done with all that, just click on apply changes, and just like that, the changes you made will be applied to the video. You can also use the edit command box here to make some changes to your video. For instance, say you want to change the voice used in the video, you can just tell it to change it to a female American or something you think might sound nicer for your video. After giving Bit the instruction, just click on the generate button and in just a few seconds the changes will be made to the video. The next step is to export the video if you're satisfied with the result. But before that, as promised, let me show you how to use this AI to create YouTube shorts. You see, with shorts, the niche I'll be creating a video around is the dark psychology niche. I know you've already watched many videos teaching how to create such videos, but here's the little difference. You don't need an AI generated image if you use this video AI tool by InVideo. Plus, it is even faster, as you don't need to do any of the editing yourself. All you just need is the perfect prompt and you're all set. Now here's how you create YouTube shorts using this tool. Just like the long form video, you want to first give ChatGPT a prompt. But listen, your prompt needs to be more detailed because the more engaging short form videos are, the higher their chances of going viral. So here's the detailed prompt. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to create a YouTube shorts about dark psychology. Titled, hacks people use to manipulate you. I told it to use a young British male voice with a colloquial but firm tone. I also told it that the script presented as advice and it should use suspenseful, crispy, and horror stock footage that complements the theme of manipulation and psychological concepts. All these just to get the perfect result. And lastly, we need to add subtitles to make the short perfect overall. So I told it to add word-by-word subtitles in the middle of the screen, highlighting each current spoken word in yellow just to enhance viewer engagement and understanding. With all that in place, you can proceed to send the message and ChatGPT will get to work and generate the video for you. Once it is done, just click on the link provided and head over to InVideo AI to complete the video creation, where you can make some edits to the clip using the edit button or this box where you can just tell it what you want to change and it will literally make the changes for you after clicking on generate. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can proceed to export it by clicking on the export button. But just one more thing before that, you see, if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without these watermarks like the InVideo or iStock text on this video, I recommend you subscribe to the InVideo Premium plan. It's just $20 per month. The link is in the description below. With that said, let's take a look at the videos we created.
Ever wondered what makes the USA a must-visit destination? Picture the Statue of Liberty, standing tall in the heart of New York Harbor, an iconic symbol of freedom and a beacon for immigrants arriving from overseas. This colossal copper statue, a gift from the people of France, has been welcoming visitors since 1886. Its history, its symbolism, and its sheer grandeur make it an unmissable sight. Venture from the bustling streets of New York City to the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Here, history comes alive in every corner. The Lincoln Memorial stands as a powerful testament to one of the country's most revered presidents. This monumental statue, carved from 28 blocks of marble, has been a site of pivotal moments in American history, a stage for speeches and demonstrations that have shaped the nation.
Amazing, right? Now you can proceed to upload it on your channel and start getting those easy views. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials on how to create faceless videos and blow up on YouTube extremely fast. Peace.